What's up, you guys? It's Chelton. So I'm about to head down to my land with my brothers, and we're gonna build ourselves a fire pit. All right, you guys, so we're just mapping out where our fire pit's gonna be on the land. We tried to make it as far away from everything as possible, and I'm very excited. We have been making progress, but believe it or not, digging is very hard. We got all our bricks here. Got like, this is probably only like 2 inches deep so far, but I'm starting to think it's gonna look very beautiful. Guys, it's tamped down relatively so, and we're gonna be adding our gravel base now, or paver base. All right, you guys, we got layer 1 of the paver base. We're about to add layer 2. You guys, we got the second layer of paver base, and we're about to put on our paver sand, and then it's time to build. All right, you guys, I tried my best. Paver sand is in, and I think we're about to do it. We got our base on, and we are about to build up.
It's the building process. It's looking really good. It's all piecing together. Looks really fucking good.
Why do I feel like we don't have enough bricks? We do. We have tons of bricks.
This is looking so cool. Yes, I believe we have exactly enough for one more layer. How many left are there? It's 13. Right?
Only 13 left? 2, 4. There must be another brick in there. There has to be 2 more bricks in there.
Hold on. No, record this. Breaking this? Oh, well, that works, right? It's so hard. Working, maybe? The other side. Oh, big, bro. Awesome. Okay, awesome. We need more bricks. I'm so weirded out. Josh, can you record? Well, no, hold on. We'll pause the video when we're done. What is it? I have like 6 minutes recording. Just leave it. Yeah, a little more. No, that's okay. Okay, just start with the next layer. Yeah. Okay. A little more. This is the top layer, so this is the layer we're going to put like our feet on and stuff. So this layer we want to be a lot. You know what I mean? Yeah, and that's there with the break too. What? Oh, no. This is good, Gabe. I mean, I am. Okay. I think okay. Well, don't go too far because I don't know if we have all the breaks. But you can go pretty far. Let's see it off. It's not there. You know, just want to make your thing look as good as possible. Maybe they're on board. Well, he's recording. I keep telling him. I'm recording. Wait, so you need one more? No, I need two more. Are you sure? Why? Are there more bricks around you that I don't see right now? Oh, no. Just so I can put it right here.
But, woohoo! Look at these other bricks later. Life isn't gonna slow me down. Looks so fancy. Doesn't it though? All right, you guys, so we've determined that since I forgot two of my bricks, oh my God, it doesn't look that level in here. Since I forgot two of my bricks, I'm gonna come back here on Sunday and I'm going to finish this up and we're gonna have a fire. These property taxes paid. God bless.